Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Teslarati. Basically, Amazon announces major milestone in EV transition with the Rivian. So, Amazon's announced a major milestone in electric vehicle transition, officially bringing 20,000 Rivian electric delivery vans into its fleet. Back in 2019, Amazon announced its climate pledge to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2040. Part of the pledge included a partnership with Rivian for 100,000 all-electric delivery vehicles. The goal was to have all EDVs on the road and in the Amazon fleet by 2030. First, Amazon Rivian EDV hit the road in 2022, and since then, the vans have made it into thousands of locations across the United States. From Anaheim to Boston, Baltimore to Seattle, and everywhere in between, Amazon is using the Rivian EDVs to get packages to customers in sustainable and earth-friendly fashions. So this is what it looks like. So Amazon can do this because all of the big packages, Amazon ship it to the postal service for the last mile delivery. So they have just small packages in this van, which just makes sense, right? And they gave it to the postal service at a really low cost. So pretty much like the postal service is delivering at a cost, at a loss, basically. But right now, like Amazon is seeing like the benefit of it, so they're getting more of the right now. They more deliveries to it. So the vans have also made into their way to Europe, and more than 300 will be part of the Amazon fleet in Germany. So if they don't see a success in this, in the saving, why would they continue, right? So going green, it's good. The fleet is steadily growing. Amazon revealed to Teslarati that it has officially reached more than 20,000 EDVs in its fleet, 1/5 of their way to its 100,000 unit goal. So back in 2019, they teamed up with Rivian. They invested heavily in Rivian, and they made a promise to order 100,000 units. So far, they got 20,000, so almost there. In March 2023, Amazon just hit 3,000 Rivian EDVs in its fleet, and now they got 20,000. The fleet is eliminating millions of metric tons of carbon every year, and also use state-of-the-art technology with an integrated workflow to make drivers' job easier, more comfortable, and more streamlined than ever before. In 2024 alone, Amazon used Rivian EDV to deliver more than 1 billion packages to customers in the US. The Rivian EDVs also has plenty of charging capability, as Amazon has installed over 24,000 chargers at more than 150 delivery stations across America, ensuring range will never be an issue during a route. So usually Amazon like to do like in the local area, so they don't need to drive much, right? You don't need like 300, 500, maybe 150, 200 miles will be good. And let's see who else uses Rivian. So I just Google this real quick, and it shows that ATT. So in 2023, last year, ATT announced a pilot program to switch its commercial fleet to electric vehicle, including Rivian commercial van and the R1 platform trucks. The program is part of ATT's commitment to reach carbon neutrality by 2035, which is awesome. Yeah, Amazon invested $700 million in 2019. Right, so let's take a look at the Rivian stock right now. It's going up and down. Today, after hours, maybe a little bit 30 minutes before after hour, it closed down. It dropped really very, very deep. Not just Rivian, like most likely all of the stocks were in red, pretty much. And right now, $13. I don't know, up to you guys, but I think it's good buy. Buy for long term. Again, this is not like a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys where the trend is and where it's going to be going. And these stocks used to be pretty high. When it started in 2021, $129. Yeah, that's just when it IPO, but that's just way too much over value. But as it go down to 28, right now it's only 13. So I think it's a good buy. But if you have some money, put it in there. Right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But on that, take care, be safe, till next time.